not to happen.
That information is there.
So how long do you need to bring that information? It's important to tell. So I assume that then you have the list that will indicate the dates when seats were taken, for instance, to Machewa, Virunda, Kasuti, Sabata, Mbai, Mbao, with the numbers, with the specific numbers. Namwichula, Halwenge, all those places.
We have all of them.
A distribution chain.
It's here, we have. Of course, there are 25. There are 25 files.
Yes.
Because I've got 25 wards. And some wards have got more like 2-3 files because there are 2-3 venues.
So do you need time? Do you want to table them now, or do you need how much time do you need to bring those documents?
They're just in the record. They can be brought.
Yes, I think they can be brought then.
You know, the problem is we are not told the required documents. You look at the questions, Chair. So they're fairly straightforward. This information, this information, this information. But now these particular details, you know, if we're told now come with this and this and this, we'll be having this, we'll be having all this information.
Okay, so let him avail those documents as we proceed. Any other question?
Maybe, Chair.
Yes, Senator Abbas.
See, was there a public consultation when they distributing the seats? What criteria do you use? Are you give it to everybody, or you give it to specific Thomas?
As I said,
Are you doing it to groups?
No. We use the poverty index to identify the number of eligible people for this seat in Tanzania. One of our guiding principles was that we'll give farmers who have a maximum of 0.2 acres. We call them Mutembei. The 2 kgs of maize seed would comfortably be planted on 0.2. So prior to the distribution of these seeds, we had identified the would-be beneficiaries, and the numbers were huge. Because some places we had around 10,000 people, 15,000 people. When we issue this seed, and outside I would think it's a very chaotic assignment, but they don't know that a lot of planning has gone into it. We know our people, we know who is eligible, and we know who is not eligible. So we're not just like we call it and distribute seed. That's why we put a list of beneficiaries.
Governor, just on that question, I think it's good to clarify. Where did you get the poverty index for Tanzania? Because there's none.
Kipra.
Because there's none. Where do you get disaggregated to the wards? How do you determine poor people in Tanzania? And does it mean that if you own half an acre or 0.2 acres, as you say, then you are poor? Because there are people who own half an acre and are richer than those who own 10 acres.
Mr. Chairman, those of us who grew in the village, you don't need that to know a poor person. But there are people who think that poverty is an academic exercise. So we engage in those kind of arguments. But the person who is poor, you go to the village, you just this person is poor. And that's what we're talking about. A person having 0.2 acres of land, and he has got 10 children, he has got a wife, he's about to share that same piece of land with the children who are married. You know, poverty out there doesn't need indicators, academic indicators. It just need, it's known. I've been like talking about 38% poverty index, but you look at other authorities, again they talk of 60%. So basically, like every little small-scale farmer in Tanzania is poor. If it were for me, I wouldn't even do targeting, and if I had money, I'd just buy it and distribute to everyone.
Governor, I'm asking this because I personally distribute seed. I buy and distribute.
I'm sure you struggle with means testing, even the way she struggle with means testing.
Except the money from my pocket. But let me answer the question.
Yes.
What was the threshold of poverty that your team used in seed distribution? Or did you involve, I think it's talking about public, but did you involve the ward administrators and other levels of administration to identify people who are poor?
There is a criteria that is contained